Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Dingmo mini chainsaw. It's cordless. It's battery operated. You see it's got a 21 volt battery. You should make sure you keep this out just so you never turn this on. You do have the charger, which plugs into this port here. There's a LED light on here. It turns red when it's charging, turns green when it's done. Took about an hour right out of the box to charge this. They do give you a couple tools. One is to take this off, which takes this cover off. If you need to do something with the chain, take it off, replace it. They also give you a screwdriver. There's an adjusting screw back here, under here, which tightens the chain. There's a light on here that shines when you turn it on. Got a locking button. Does come with instructions, a little manual. I said it's not too hard. Push the button to unlock it, pull the trigger. They do give you some sleeves if you want to wear them. And a pair of gloves, which is nice. One thing I wish it came with was a bag to put all this in. Even if it was just like a folding bag. But, you know, it is what it is. I find somewhere to put this stuff. Basically just slide this in here. Push this trigger. You see the lights on there. It does have this nice little guard. I said this is not a toy. Make sure you don't play around with it or let your kids get hold of this. That's why I always keep the battery out of it. That way if somebody grabs this, they can't do anything. This is sharp though, you do have to be careful with that. I do have an acre, it used to be an old orchard, so I have a lot of trees. This can come in so much handy compared to having to get my big chainsaws out. So I'm actually going to go out and cut a couple branches up right now that fell out of a tree. So we'll see how this works.